I'm Tia, and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive, and we also have Kit Kat behind me and BB right here, so we got a lot going on here. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you want my little doll, baby's hot doll, baby hot doll, baby hot doll, baby hot doll, baby hot doll. I always slow myself down. It is just, I guess, funny. Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. So today I have a wig review, and this little cutie is from Newborn Free, and this Newborn Free is the same company that makes the magic lace wigs that I review quite often, and this is their HD lace part line. It says natural look. Let me give you the star cord on her. They don't have any names, which I don't like. Okay? Listen, I think it's Shad Fashions. Shade, whatever. Name your wigs, please, for us, for you, for us. Okay? But this is HDP05. Okay? And it says HD lace part wig. And it's style number 5. I have her in the color Sugar Blonde. And what else to say about her? It says she's heat safe, but up to what? This wig is heat safe up to some degrees. Benefits of the HD lace part: it is high transparency, thinner and softer, matching any skin tone, flawless finish, perfect and light fit. Okie doke. And I scooped her up from Shop Hair Wigs for $20.95. Let's talk about her. There's a couple things. First of all, I love this color. Now, I have reviewed a wig, and I'm going to, after I film this, I'm going to film a comparison, because this is Sugar Blonde, but they do have an FF Sugar Blonde, and it is a little bit different. So I will be doing a side-by-side comparison video on that. But let's just talk about her. This is a light yaki texture, so there is some texture to this wig, but it is sort of that keratin infused hair that I always describe. It's you can feel some grip to it, but it is soft, so it just feels very, very conditioned. I really like the cut and the sort of just like messy situation. I'm not a fan of a side part in general. That's my point, is like I feel like this hangs in my face, and I don't like that. But I know some people who rock a side part, they love a side part, they want a side part, and it looks super cute like that. It looks very cute like that. I love the color. I really, really love the color. I love FF Sugar Blonde, and I love the Sugar Blonde. I don't really even feel the way that this has these sort of dimensions here. I don't feel like it even needs rooting necessarily. Let's look at her from the big. I'm gonna try, because I have like Kit Kat right here, and she's sleeping, and she looks so cute. I mean, it looks pretty good. It looks just like the star card, actually, which doesn't always happen. Okay, pros and cons. Let's talk about it. I love the color. I love the cap construction. There are no combs in this wig. I'll include those clips too. There are no combs. It just has adjustable straps. So I think if you have a sensitive scalp, this will be a wig that you could wear. I always love a lace parting wig because I think it's so easy. What I don't like is this. So if you've watched the video where I talked about realistic versus non-realistic parting and hairlines, if you haven't, you should go ahead and do that. There was some where we were comparing hairlines, so I did sort of crisscross in front, because I looked at natural hairlines, and some of them actually don't have this like sharp part that goes right, to the forehead. So I crisscrossed in front, which I think helped mask the lace parting part, but also makes it look a little bit more realistic. I like that. So I'm glad that I did that and tried that technique. I said in that video I would try a different ways to do parting, and that's what I'm doing. What I don't like is this. You can see all these tracks across the front. You know, I just think it like cheapens this so badly. Now you could do some razoring and making like baby hairs so that those can be slicked down in front of this. And if I was to keep this wig and if I were gonna actually wear it, I would do that. I would pull all of this down. I would razor it sort of short so I could mask those wefts there, because it's just crazy. If you're gonna wear it like this, I think like it's totally fine. I did put some heat and pulled it up a little bit, just right like that. Like that is okay. Where the part is and where the style is, it just doesn't do it much justice. It's like that on this side too, but I feel like it's not as noticeable just because of how it lays. Let me see if yeah, like, oh, it has bendable ear tabs. Cool. Yeah, and that makes it look like this weird asymmetrical, like, that's not the style. This is the ear tabs naturally want to sit right there. So that's my only, like, that's my con with this. Like, I like a lot of things. I love that there's bendable ear tabs. So I like a lot of things about this. I think that it does, you know, it can look natural. It definitely can look natural regardless, but it can look natural in certain ways. I just don't like these wefts right here in the front. Like I said, there are things that you could do to fix it if you wanted to. I mean, it's not an expensive wig. The color is stunning. If you don't mind like bangs in your face, it's not gonna be a problem. Like, I just hate bangs in my face too, so that's partially like a me thing. Like, I don't, or I would even like make bangs. I wasn't trying to actually cut bangs. I guess I was just trying to make it so that this could lay a little bit flatter and maybe have sort of this rounded shape. I just cut some maybe dimension into it, and I think it definitely helped on this side. I feel like it will help on this side once I get it, and a lot of this is my preference. Once I get it to where I want it to be. Baby, no. You gotta be right here. Yeah, I think this is much better, just so it sits a certain way. And covers those wefts. You could definitely do it different ways. This is just how I did it. But for me, and the way that I cannot have bangs on my face, it's still giving me that long bang, but since these are shorter, they're not going to fall necessarily in my face. And they can just be sort of like shaped into, yeah. Okay, I'm feeling like I like this a little bit better. All right, so yeah. So, okay, what do you think? Do you think this looks a little bit better? Did you like it before? This is just like a way of like how you can cover, so you can't really see those wefts as much anymore because of those shorter pieces are covering them. Yeah, so like if you look at, oops, sorry, baby. If you look at her, if you look at where, in order for this not to sort of fall on her face, she has this very far down in the front. So yeah, okay, blah, blah, blah. This is how I feel. Color, love it. Texture, love it. Cut, love it. I would definitely wear it now the way that it is. I think it would be better as a lace front. There are some that I really just enjoy as lace partings. I just think that this particular one would be better as a lace front, just because, or just done differently in terms of like those stupid wefts right in the front. It's so annoying. But I think it's definitely cute. It's definitely workable. I mean, it's like 20 bucks, so yeah, that's what I have for you for this review. If you have this wig or you have any thoughts, please share them down below. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share it if you think it should be shared. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.